Understanding demonstrative adjectives. Pointing out with precision. Hello, language explorers. Today we are delving deeper into the fascinating world of English grammar. Our topic of discussion is demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives play an important role in our everyday communication by allowing us to specify and point out things. Let's get started. Demonstrative adjectives are a type of adjective that we use to indicate or point to something specific within a sentence. These adjectives are small in number but mighty in utility. They are this, that, these, and those. Here's how they work. This and that are used with singular nouns. These and those are used with plural nouns. The primary purpose of demonstrative adjectives is to specify or distinguish what we're talking about. These adjectives help us indicate whether we're referring to something close or far away, and whether it's a single item or multiple items. For instance, if we say, "This book is interesting," we're pointing out a specific book that's probably close to us. Using demonstrative adjectives correctly involves understanding distance and number. 1. Distance. 2. Use this and these for items close to the speaker. 3. Use that and those for items farther away. 4. Number. 5. Use this and that with singular nouns. 6. Use these and those with plural nouns. For example, this apple, close, singular. That apple, far, singular. These apples, close, plural. Those apples, far, plural. Now that we've understood the purpose and usage of demonstrative adjectives, it's time for some practice. Try constructing your own sentences using this, that, these, and those. Remember, practice makes perfect. And there you have it, a comprehensive introduction to demonstrative adjectives. We hope this video has helped you understand the purpose and usage of these helpful adjectives. As always, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember that the English language is your playground. Until next time, happy learning!